Dimitri Cash Sr., the man who kidnapped his kids in 2021 and was sentenced to 115 years to life in prison, was back in court this afternoon. Today, he was representing himself on charges he conspired to kill a sitting judge. He was sentenced to an additional 8 to 25 years behind bars. Christian Garzone sat through the proceeding. He joins us live now with more. Christian.
Yeah, Teresa, this is the second trial for Dimitri Cash Sr. These conspiracy charges actually go back several years before the kidnapping of his kids from foster care in Greece in 2021. This conspiracy to kill Judge Stacey Romeo, a sitting judge, goes back to when Romeo put his kids in foster care. Now, as we know, I just said, he eventually kidnapped his own kids out of foster care in 2021. They were found safe. Now, Cash, representing himself on these conspiracy charges, was hard to understand today. Judge Argento presided over this today and called it all gibberish at the end. Cash repeatedly called out objection, objection, interrupting her every step, and the judge said Cash will never see the light of day again. The assistant DA said Cash went to a great lengths to stalk Judge Romeo and learn her routine, and a plot was uncovered to kill her. Cash argued since it didn't happen and Judge Romeo is alive and safe, well, he shouldn't stand trial. The prosecution said that's not how this works and said it's important that judges and public officials be allowed to do their jobs without the threat of harm from decisions they make.
Whatever party you're on, whatever side of the aisle you work for, you understand that there are rules, that everybody's just doing their job, and you can go home and you can be with your family and you can be safe. I will tell you that in this situation, that is absolutely not true, that Dimitri Cash completely broke that mold, a little bit for Mr. Gallagher and I, and 100% for Judge Romeo. She will never be able to get on the bench and make decisions again without having that in the back of her mind, that fear of, hey, the things that I do are putting myself and my family in danger, and that is not okay.
And the ADA also said this conspiracy involves stalking Judge Romeo as well as buying tools to carry out some kind of act and also buying costume disguises. Live in Rochester, Christian Garzone, News 8. Adam, Teresa, right back to you in the studio.
Christian, thank you for that report. Dimitri's cousin, Joe Nathan Cash, was sentenced to 75 years in prison for helping Dimitri kidnap his kids. However, Joe Nathan was not charged in this conspiracy case.